The Gift of the Magi. Short story by O. Henry. Written. 1905, New York. Published. 1905. Literary period. Realism. Point of view. Third person omniscient. The Gift of the Magi is a heartwarming and beautifully crafted short story by O. Henry, first published in 1905. The story revolves around a young, poor couple, Jim and Della, who live in a small apartment in New York City. Despite their financial struggles, they are deeply in love and always find ways to make each other happy. As Christmas approaches, they both want to give each other a special gift, but they can't afford to buy anything expensive. Della, who has long, beautiful hair, starts to feel guilty that she has nothing to give to Jim, who is equally worried about what he can give her. Della decides to sell her hair to buy Jim a watch chain for his prized possession, a gold watch that has been passed down from his grandfather. She visits a hair salon and gets her hair cut short and sells it for $20, which is a lot of money for her. She uses the money to buy a beautiful watch chain for Jim's watch. On the other hand, Jim decides to sell his watch to buy Della a set of combs for her hair. He sells the watch for $18 and uses the money to buy a set of beautiful combs for Della's hair. On Christmas morning, they both excitedly exchange their gifts. Della is ecstatic when she sees the watch chain and Jim is thrilled with the combs. But as they both admire their gifts, they both realize that their gifts are now useless. Jim's watch no longer has a chain and Della no longer has the long hair to use the combs. The story might seem sad, but it's actually a commentary on the true meaning of love and sacrifice. It shows that the greatest gifts are not always the most expensive or materialistic, but rather the ones that come from the heart and show the depth of one's love and devotion. It is a beautiful reminder that true love is not measured by the material things but by the sacrifices that we make for the ones we love. This story has become a classic of American literature and is widely loved and studied in literature. It is a heartwarming, beautiful story of the love and sacrifice between a couple that will leave a lasting impression on anyone who reads it. If you like the video, subscribe our channel and appreciate us. For new videos, press bell and get notifications. Like, share and comment below for your suggestions and feedback. Thanks for watching.